In today's video, I will walk you through how to show recent sales pop-up notifications in Shopify. To get started, go to your Shopify dashboard and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the Apps option and click on it. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to search for Sales Pop-up. After entering the search term, a list of apps designed to display sales notification pop-ups will appear. From the search results, locate the Kikafi Sales Pop app and select it. This will open the app page where you can proceed with the installation process. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will begin installing the app to your store. Wait for the installation process to finish. After the installation is complete, the app will automatically open within your Shopify admin dashboard. When the app launches, you'll be prompted to enable the extension for your store. Enable the extension when prompted. This step is required to allow the sales notifications to appear on your storefront. Once the extension has been enabled, continue by clicking Create Campaign. This will open the campaign setup area where you can configure your sales notification settings. After selecting Create Campaign, choose Sales Pop from the available campaign options. This will open the settings for the sales pop-up notifications. Review the available configuration options and begin setting up the campaign according to your preferences. One of the settings you'll see is Look Back Days. This setting controls how far back the app will pull sales data to display in the notifications. Select the value you want to use. Next, choose the products you would like included in the sales notification campaign. Select the products you want the app to display within the pop-up messages shown to visitors. Continue reviewing the remaining settings available in the campaign setup area. Make any adjustments that are available, and configure the campaign the way you want it to appear. As you make changes, use the preview provided within the app. The preview allows you to see how the sales pop-up notifications will look when displayed on your storefront. Review the preview carefully and continue making adjustments if necessary until you are satisfied with the appearance of the notifications. Once everything looks correct, click Save to store your campaign settings. After saving the campaign, visit your store and browse through it as a customer would. Check that the sales pop-up notifications appear correctly and display the information you selected during setup. If the notifications do not appear as expected, return to the campaign settings, make any necessary adjustments, save your changes again, and test the store once more. To quickly recap, open Apps, search for Sales Pop-up, install the Kikafi Sales Pop app, enable the extension, create a campaign, select Sales Pop, configure the settings, choose your products, review the preview, save the campaign, and test the notifications on your store. And that's all there is to it. Your recent sales pop-up notifications are now active on your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.